Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be discuss about how does Shopify shipping work. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. When you are shipping orders to customers, your shipping carrier is the brand that handles your package for you, delivering it directly to customers. Shipping carriers like FedEx and USPS physically deliver the packages to a customer's mailbox or door. Each shipping carrier offers different options to help streamline your service. For instance, you might be able to offer options like allowing your customers to pick their items up to the post office. You can also offer a range of different mail classes and access things like label printing too. Each shipping carrier offers different options when it comes to shipping, prices, and fulfillment services. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.